What's up, guys? Jason here, the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for being a subscriber. All right, guys, so it is Saturday morning. It's the 21st of February. It's a Saturday morning. It is absolutely just stunningly beautiful today. Beautiful day. A little bit of breeze, but it's warm. It's like what do I got here? I got 45 degrees. And what's crazy, it's hard to believe we actually have a blizzard warning this weekend. We're supposed to get rain and then snow. I think snow around Sunday night around 6, and it'll go for like 12 hours till Monday at 6. So they're saying like 8 to 10 inches. So it's just wild. But it looks like next week's gonna be decently warm. It might be like 2 cold days and then kind of be warm. So I think it's just gonna be a pass through, dump a bunch of snow. I think it's gonna melt really quick, but it's gonna be that like wet, heavy snow. So yeah, we're just gonna deal with that. But yeah, this morning we had 2 guys stop by pretty early this morning. I think it was around 8 a.m. They bought all my firewood. So we're out of firewood. So I got the Honda out and I got the trailer. I'm gonna take the bundler, my little bundler station. We'll go back to the back acre and we're gonna bundle some wood. I think Sherilyn's coming out with me. She said she wanted to come out and help today. So we'll go back, bundle some wood. I gotta fill up the IBC tote. We're gonna try to split some wood, cut some wood. I just got a bunch of stuff going on today. I'm gonna try to take advantage of the beautiful day and try to get as much done as we can. Maybe even run out and grab some pallets. I'm getting low on pallets, and I saw there's some places around here that have some free pallets. So I might grab those. So come along. Let's go start bundling some wood. Here we go. All right, guys, we're here. I tell you what, this warm day is just making me getting so excited about spring. My guess is that we're gonna have this last big storm, and then we're gonna head right into spring, probably mid-March. That's my St. Patrick's Day. That's my guess. So look who's here in the red jacket. Say hi to our fans, our subscribers. You haven't been on here in a minute. Okay. What's been going on in your life?
Laundry.
Doing laundry?
Yeah, on the washboard by the creek.
Okay. Nope, but we're happy to have her out today. Yeah, it's been a minute. So Sherilyn's doing something fun today. You want to tell them what you're doing?
I'm going to go play pickleball for the very first time.
She is going to play pickleball with her friends from Arbonne. Sherilyn's never played pickleball. I've never really played it either. It looks extremely fun. So she has to watch some videos on how to play. I think it's somewhat similar to tennis, but I think there's some rules on serving, I believe. But hopefully she'll get us some video and we can leave some B-roll in here, her playing and hopefully crushing it. Beautiful day, huh? Riding with my lady. we bundled up 24 bundles, so that'll make this thing look nice and full. I don't know how much sales we're gonna have, being the storm's coming, but at least she looks nice and full. All right, guys, thought we'd feed the deer. I got 2 big 50-pound bags of corn. All right, guys, and we also got, I got them a trophy rock. It's an all-natural mineral supplement. So thought we'd kind of put this out there with the corn, see if they want to lick this mineral thing. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and lay down some of this corn. This little food block I got that has, I don't know, there's some corn and grain. They haven't really been touching it. It's gotten smaller, but I'm not sure if the squirrels were messing with it, but it's funny, I've been feeding the deer and I have not seen one deer back here. So it must be coming in the middle of the night under darkness. Our mineral supplement rock. I'll just put it on top here. Let's cut the plastic off. All right, there we go. So we'll just put that right on top. See if they mess with it. All right, guys, it's tractor time. I'm gonna go grab the forks and we'll get an IBC tote and we'll get it filled up. Here we go. All right, we got the forks. All right, guys, we got the tote. I'll be right back with the wood. All right, gotcha. All right, guys, there we go. IBC tote is in its place. We'll put its cover on. There we go. Now we're ready for the next four days of heating, probably, depending on how cold it gets. All right, guys, I wanted to show you something I got this week. Special shout out to my cousin Patrick and my brother when we were talking about fuel cans, and they recommended Stihl metal cans. You know, I've upgraded my diesel tank. I got rid of one of the diesel cans I hated. Got rid of my 2-cycle plastic jug I was using for my saw, and that's what I got today. I got something to replace it. I got the old Eagle metal. It's a 2-gallon because I just got a small size because I don't go through the 2-cycle fuel as fast, and I don't want an abundance of it. But I always get the non-ethanol fuel. I always put some Stihl 360 in here, a little bit of Amsoil fuel enhancer stuff. So yeah, this one comes with this spout, so it goes on here, and then you can just pour it right into your equipment. So yeah, big thanks to those guys for reaching out, telling me what they recommended. But yeah, I went and got it filled up this week, and that's it. She fits right on there. Pour it in, but it's super nice, metal gas can, safety one. It's a Type 1, but really nice. I'll leave a link below on Amazon. I went ahead and put a little sticker on here. Just says like Stihl 2-cycle oil gas, just so people know that there's 2-cycle fuel in here. So let's head back. I want to try to finish up cutting that pine this afternoon. So let's head on back. Here we go. All right, guys. I guess we'll try the gas can, right? I'm pretty sure this thing's out of fuel. It's not totally empty, but let's give it a try. Let's give it a try with this new bad boy here. So I guess we just gotta put it in here. Oh, she fills up fast. Oh, oh. Yeah, she filled up real fast. That is nice. My other that plastic crap, and they changed those nozzles on those things for the government regulations. What a joke that is. So, yeah, that is really nice. All right, boys, let's start cutting. Here we go. Got 3 sections done and ran out of fuel already. But yeah, she's cutting good today. Real good. All right, let's try it again with the fuel here. See how easy she is here. All right, there we go. Quick and easy. All right, guys, that went really well. All the rounds are cut up, and we'll grab the tractor, and then we'll go ahead and this project will be done, and then we can move on to something else. So here we go. All right, guys, got it all done. It's all piled up. It's nice and clear now and open, and ready for the next load, whenever that'll be. But yeah, pretty proud. We got that done pretty quick, and it's all piled up, ready to be split. So I'm gonna take a quick break, get some coffee, and then find out what we're gonna do next. All right, guys, I jumped in the truck because there's a bunch of pallets I saw near 5 Points. I always see them on the side. There's like a medical, it's like a medical company that sells like wheelchairs and stuff, but it's right next to like, kind of like, if you know the area, like Meineke. But there's always pallets there, so I know I'm getting low, and they had a stack of them, so I'm gonna roll up there. I have the trailer in tow, and let's just go ahead and grab as many as we can. Hopefully they look good, so let's check it out. Looks like some good ones. These ones are really nice. Wow. These are heavy duty. They even put a sign up. Leave this sign for next time. So they always have a lot, I guess. All right, guys, we made it back. Yeah, these are just some incredible pallets. And it looked like behind the building, it looked like they had a bunch more just lined up. So I'm gonna keep my eyes out. I've noticed them over the years, but yeah, this time I decided to go for it because I was getting kind of low. I haven't gotten a lot at work lately. But yeah, these are very, they're heavy. They're not like these junk pallets I get. These are really nice. But yeah, I'm gonna unload these real quick. I'm just gonna lean them against a tree, and I thought we'd finish the day by trying to split some of this maple. I'm gonna bring the tractor over and kind of maneuver them under the splitter head on the old Huskee. We use old Huskee today. So yeah, I'll just unload these real quick, and that'll be it. All right, guys, here's the plan. We only got a little bit of daylight left, maybe an hour. I got the Huskee running, the Huskee 22 ton, and I got the Kubota out. I'm gonna use the Kubota to push the big rounds over to it and see if I can just break them into smaller pieces because they're pretty heavy. And I'm gonna try to use some machines to save my back. So here we go, let's try it out. All right, guys, the tractor worked out great. I'm glad I used it. I was just struggling. These ones are they're so heavy, and they're just so gnarly. That curly maple is just gnarly to split. Some pieces are like really nice grain, but other pieces are just, the grain's going all different directions. It's wild. But we pretty much just got 3 big ones to go, and the rest of this is, I can manage it, you know, just pick it up myself and put it on the old Huskee, and then we'll put it right in the IVC totes. But let's go in. Let's hear how pickleball went with Sherilyn. All right, so tell us how it went.
Yeah, so we played pickleball in a big gym that had lots of different courts. Yeah, we had really good time.
You thought you were pretty good?
I thought it was medium. Yeah, medium. Like with practice, I think it could definitely get better. But for the first time,
it was a good time.
Yeah.
All right, guys, there you go. We'll try to maybe add some photos there, but there you go. Sounds like a good time.
Yeah.
So, all right, guys, we're gonna start preparing for the storm. We'll catch back maybe tomorrow or Monday. So thanks for tuning in. If you're a subscriber, see you next one. Bye, guys.